Start by going to woo.com. Select Extensions in the WooCommerce Marketplace. Search for Avalara. Select the Avalara Avatax plugin and add it to your cart. Go to your cart and proceed to checkout. Sign in to your WooCommerce account. If you don't have an account, add the required information to create one, which automatically signs you in. Add the plugin to your site. Your company may have multiple e-commerce sites, so make sure you add the correct one. Once you've added the plugin to your site, you're taken to the WordPress configuration page where you'll see your new Avalara Avatax plugin. Now you're ready to link your WooCommerce and Avalara accounts. Before you begin, make sure you have your company's Avalara account ID and license key. You can find the account ID in your Avalara profile. Your system administrator should have your license key. If they don't, ask them to generate a new one, which we'll email to them. Keep in mind that if you have other business applications integrated with your Avalara account, generating a new one breaks the connection to all of them. Make sure you reconnect to each business application as soon as you receive the new license key. When you're ready, go back to your WordPress configuration page and enter your account ID and license key. Select the Avalara environment to apply the integration to. Your Avalara and WooCommerce accounts are now connected.